what's up, my adventure seekers? It's on Adventures Chibi here at the Universal Studios here in beautiful Hollywood. It is a little hot today, but there is a nice mist going on in the back. I'm here at the Secret Life of Pets attraction. This is actually my first time forever being back here at Universal Studios. My loved one can't make it today, but he's here in the time zone somewhere. But we're gonna take you on an adventure zone, and let's see what's gonna happen. Oh yeah, guys, right behind us, actually, in front of me, is Drew's house, and the minions are having so much fun in there. You could actually hear them say banana, banana. And then the next door is their neighbor's house. You remember when you guys watched Despicable Me when the dog peed on his the plants, and he was like, he made the plants die. Guys, we're about to find puppies right now. We are going through the adoption area. And check this out.
Well, it looks like that's your cue to leave. Anyway, I'd say it's been great, but you know.
Daisy, you are fluffy.
pooch little bag. You could put a little bandana on him, some treats. Yeah. You saw the crazy cat?
Or simply walk briskly. Should be fine. You want to be a minion? Let's see if you can think like one. You just got from a hard day of work. You need to unwind. You need to relax. You need some me time. And help them fulfill.
I got this right here. It's a minion fry. It actually be the first time I've gone wrong. Yeah? Now they've been on minion fry. Now it's gonna be her first time going on the ride. Alright guys, we just got off the minion ride. What did you think of the minion ride? It was fun, huh? We were minions on that ride, and check this out, guys. Now, that you get free refills on the day of your purchase. So you can refill this guy anytime you want. He's so cute though. Banana! headed into the little fun water park. And we're about to get wet. You don't want to run? Guys, we're here at the Crystal Burger in Greenfield. This is the menu. Thanks to Aria. We are eating at the Krusty Burgers because you picked it, right? I'll just get you not bad with our shots. And then one drink, right? We're gonna do the course. The place that I first saw this was Magical Journeys. They actually had lunch here, and they had the number 4, the sideshow box. I remember. All right, guys, we are at the Krusty Burger.
Krusty Burger.
And we all got food. What did you guys get?
Regular Krusty Burger?
Uh-huh. And then you got the...
And I got the mother of burgers. That's what it's called?
Mm-hmm. Then...
Burgers. Mine just like veggie.
Then me and the little one, we got a Krusty Burger, and I got a Buzz Cola. So it's actually our first time trying a Buzz Cola.
Did you take a picture of it?
Yeah. Alright guys, time to try the Buzz Cola. You wanna try it? What's it taste like?
Like cherries.
Alright, so Buzz Cola tastes like cherry Coke with a little kick to it in the back, you know.